Hello, children. How are you all? Hope you all are fine and spending good time with your parents. Myself, Savita, your educator. Children, open World Around Me textbook. Open page number 12. Page number 12 in the classroom. Let's start the lesson in the classroom. See, this is a picture of the classroom. You can see many objects in the classroom. Objects like whiteboard. See, what is this? Whiteboard. Chair. Teacher has to use chair to sit. What is this? Chair. Marker pens. Teacher has to use marker pens to write on the whiteboard. Books. Books. Duster. Duster. Globe. What is this? Globe. A globe is a model of the earth. Globe. Desk. See, here are charts. A to Z. Alphabet charts. Numbers 1 to 10. Bench. Desk. The students are sitting on the bench. And here, see, what is this? This is bag. What is this? Bag. Book. Pencil. See, you can see no pencil. Yes, the children are listening to the teacher. The teacher is explaining and the students are listening to the teacher. You can see many other objects like cupboard, softboard, scale, compass box, dustbin, tiffin box, and many other things. Children, rules to be followed to maintain the cleanliness in classroom. To keep our classroom neat and clean, all the students must take care. बच्चों, आपको क्लासरूम नीट एंड क्लीन रखना है. No one should litter the classroom. क्लासरूम में आपको कचरा नहीं करना है. गिरा हुआ कचरे को उठा के डस्टबिन में डालना है. Use the dustbin to throw uneaten tiffin food and wrappers. बच्चों, आपको बचा हुआ खाना, चॉकलेट के पेपर्स और वेफर के पैकेट्स को डस्टबिन में डालना है. Sharpening pencils, make sure to put the chipped parts in the dustbin. बच्चों, आप पेंसिल शार्पन करते हो ना, उसका कचरा आपको डस्टबिन में ही डालना है. Don't write on the walls and on the benches of the classroom. बच्चों, आपको दीवारों पे या बेंचेस के ऊपर लिखना नहीं है. Children, you should follow all these rules to maintain the cleanliness in classroom. Children, here is an activity for you. Circle the object we see in the classroom. See, here are some objects like bed, slate, telephone, chart, jam, cupboard, pencil, crayons, iron. You have to identify and circle the object that we see in the classroom. Children, यहाँ पे बहुत सारे ऑब्जेक्ट्स है. इसमें से आपको ऑब्जेक्ट को पहचानना है और सर्कल करना है जो आप क्लासरूम में देखते हो. ओके, लेट्स स्टार्ट. See, children, what is this? Bed. Do you see bed in the classroom? We have to circle on it. Yes? No. What is this? Slate. We have to circle on the slate. Yes. We see in the classroom. We have to circle on the slate. What is this? Telephone. Do you see in the classroom? No. Fruit chart. Where do you see fruit chart? Do you see in the classroom? Do you see chart in the classroom? Yes. We have to circle on it. Teacher used chart to explain. What is this? Jam. Do you see jam in the classroom? No. What is this? Cupboard. Do you see cupboard in the classroom? We have to circle on it. Yes, we have to circle on it. Teacher used cupboard to keep the books. We have to circle on it. What is this? Pencil. Do you use pencil in the classroom? Yes or no? Yes. You use pencil to write on the notebook. What is this? Crayons. Do you see in the classroom? Yes? Yes. You use crayons to color. You have to circle on it. What? Iron. Do you see iron in the classroom? Yes? No. We have to circle on it? No. Like this, you have to circle the object that we see in the classroom. Okay, children? Here completes our activity. Okay, bye, children.